Hey, hey, hey mga ka-VA! Nandito na naman tayo para sa isang episode sa ating channel, Virtual Assistant Life. And we are currently at day 14, would you believe it, of a Filipino VA's house. Tumatagal na tayo, ang dami na nating episodes. And as usual, I'll put it with
What?
the original audio.
40? Of course, Stephen is always noisy at the beginning because he doesn't want us to go.
What if we actually, like in the future, what if I actually,
What?
what, in like the future in this channel,
Hmm?
when the house is done, well,
What? What?
you know those other YouTubers that are,
Yeah, we will do other things, of course.
yeah, we just uploaded day,
Yeah.
want to day, are you working on day 7?
Yeah. My plan is to finish everything tonight so that it's gonna be. No, I'll finish talaga.
What do you mean talaga? Oh, look,
Talaga, really.
there's
I
a
will
fence,
try.
oh.
Yeah, nice no?
Yeah, they're putting that there. They're done now.
Yeah, this one's
That-
done.
No, they put the door there.
Oh yeah.
There's more people. And most of them are watching.
Yeah.
Most of them are playing also.
Oh, we line up.
Also, did you notice that bucket of money?
What?
They were playing with the bucket of money.
Yeah. I think it's a game. It's a money game.
And there's an airplane.
Yeah. Oh, are they there? No one's there.
No one is there.
Can you open it?
What do you mean?
The light is on. Yeah. At least there's light.
This is the old light.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, these are the tiles.
Wait. It got ordered now?
Yeah, diba? We bought it.
Good thing we're gonna order it. Oh, wait. That's the tiles
Oh.
here upstairs.
Why is it gas?
No, it's not. It's just the plastic wrap.
Ah, okay.
It's just the plastic wrap. It's not gas. Here, this is gonna be a flat tile.
Is it plastic wrap? Yeah.
Yeah, it's plastic wrap. This one is not even.
Will be the floor here, downstairs.
That will be the floor.
Yeah.
What about upstairs?
This one, the other one, but it's not showing.
I wonder what the other one looks like. What's the color?
Let there be light.
There will be a light bulb here.
Oh,
This is the first. Wait, why is it so bright, no?
because there's light now.
Oh, there's a part where you can kind of see the dog when you are Ant-Man. Yep, he's there.
Hello. Oh, don't run. Nabilang niyo po yung tiles pala, sorry. Tama naman. May binigay bang papel? Thank you. Tig 94, tama naman. Per box yata kasi ay 4. Tama naman. Here, Titus. What are you looking at?
Here.
Oh, careful ah.
Yeah,
Where? From outside? From here lang, not from there.
Hi.
Ah, there?
Yeah.
Where will I take the picture? You might fall.
What do you mean we're...
Where will I... Don't run. There? No, that's dangerous. Here na lang. You stay here. Oh, here na lang. Day 13. 1 and 3. Don't move back. 14. Don't move back. Don't move back. I'm scared. Yeah. Already. Wait.
Looks like 14.
Don't move.
What happens if we go to 100?
No, it's not gonna reach.
Why is it just a random needle here?
You might fall, ah.
There's rails. They're gonna build this as the rails, right? Right? And there's just
Yeah. Don't kick it. No, you might fall. Come here, come here. Oh, let's see the back. Buti, may kuryente na. Saan yung nilagay isang ilaw? Sa
baba pa yung isa natin.
di niya ba nakabet?
Yung isa pa lang.
Ah.
Gagamitin yung pag nagpalitada daw sa kusina at madilim.
Oo nga eh, yun nga eh.
Doggy, where's Doggy? Where's Doggy? I can step on the bricks. Where's Doggy?
Yeah, you step on the brakes. Don't be careful, ah.
Doggy, I can still see your body but not your head. Doggy.
You call me.
Doggy.
You might bump your head.
Oh, I see his face now. Okay.
Ah, dito sa ano na. Oo. No. Walang harang dyan na. Come here. Oh, let's go na.
Careful.
Let's go.
The basketball one here because I saw one. Not a basketball.
Thank you po.
Does it smell bad now? What is it?
That's for the electricity. So at least,
We'll just talk about the bathroom next.
at least there's the tiles already and there's electricity. Oh.
It's not even a rock. It's a rock.
Oh, there's... That's for day 13. Don't kick it.
That's made out of sand. Ow.
Mm.
I'm just testing the rock.
May kalat. Let's go. Titus. That's it for 13. Let's go.
Oh, that's the 14.
Day 14?
Yeah.
Day 14.
You keep forgetting.
So today is day 14? Are you sure?
Yeah. You took the last video.
Okay.
There are less people, but no. Maybe because they are there. Yeah, they are playing from one.
Yeah. Which is bad.
No, older. They can do it. Like 10. They're probably like 11 or something.
Hmm.
The oldest person there, I think, probably 11. How is the 9-year-old shorter than me, but older than me?
Yeah.
Like just like you and
Nanay, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes like that.
sometimes, yeah, sometimes.
They're talking to you. That's it for day 14. I keep making a mistake. Sorry. It won't happen again. Bye-bye.
So, ayun na nga.
Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now, we're on the summary photos once again. And, eto na nga. Day 14. I think it's just the second or third day na nagkaroon na sila ng ilaw. At thank you sa Meralco. Shout out sa inyo. Ito na yung mga tiles na deliver na sila. So we will be changing the tiles in the first floor as well as the second floor. So habang tinatapos nila yung yung taas at yung extension, dalawang extension sa harap at likod, nalagay na nila yung tiles. And nakita naman doon na may ilaw na I think second day of having electricity for them. And ayan nga, ayusin yung tiles na yan sa baba. And then tinatapos na yung room. So same lang itsura ng rooms, yung length ng room saka ng workroom sa baba. It's just covered kasi there will be a gate there sa baba. And yun talaga yung gusto ko rin. As a VA nga, gusto ko dream ko talaga since I started becoming a VA to have my own office in my home. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Ang hirap pag maraming distractions, etc. So, yun yung target ko for this house project that we're doing. And when it comes to dreaming for the future, ito lang ay magiging first house namin. And then we're looking for to gain more properties eventually. There's nothing to go but up, aim high, di ba? As a VA, sana makamit ko yun with all the hard work na sana we will have that opportunity to gain more properties or another house that will be not only bigger but also more functional to what we're planning. So medyo naka-layout na yung plano ko talaga for the upcoming years. So sana matupad siya. Through this channel, I hope I can share that. So again, this is day 14. Hindi masyadong nakita yung difference ng 13 to 14 sa harap kasi nasa loob yung changes. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, share, and subscribe Virtual Assistant Life. Thank you.